YouTube, hello, what's on? So we're here, this is our first evening, so we'll take some videos, bring you along with us, and we'll see what we get up to on our first night at Butlins. So we arrived about 1 o'clock on site. Me and Xander went swimming, so we've been swimming and we've just dried our stuff off. We've had a chill out, have a snack. We're now going to head down to the skyline and get something to eat, go and play some games, and then check out the show for the evening. So it's July when you're seeing this, I don't know when, hopefully not too far after, but I try obviously to get the content out in stages to kind of stagger it so that the channel doesn't run out, but it is roasting. It's honestly, it's like 28 degrees. It's just too hot. Like, it's nice to go on holiday when it's hot, isn't it? Like, that's what you want, but the accommodation is just, it's too hot. Obviously there's no aircon. We've brought our little desk fan, so that will help a little bit tonight when we're trying to sleep, I suppose. But even then, you can't split it between all the rooms. But it's just too hot. Shouldn't moan, should we though? So, hopefully you can hear me. We've just ordered some chips from the fish and chip shop, and a little tip for you now, a little hack. They charge you for some ketchup. So what I'm going to do is actually head over to Burger King, right, get some free ketchup, take it back to our table, free ketchup, sorted. I'll show you the food when I get back to the table. So that was what we paid. So we got sausage and chips twice for Xander and Air, but they call it one because it's two sausages in one. We've got the loaded fries. So this is a large, so $6.50, all right. And we've got all the toppings. So that's chicken doner kebab meat, jalapenos, bacon bites and cheese, sauces, chili sauce, garlic mayo, right. And this is enough for both me and Nikki. So that's £6.50 from there, and these are really nice. We're going to tuck into this now. We'll catch up with you once we've had our dinner, all right, and we'll go and play some arcade stuff and have some fun. Oh, honestly, dying, it's so hot. We found this cool machine, so we're gonna have a little go and just have some fun. Xander, do you want to do some? Do you want to press the button? Do you want to press it? Ready? Wait for the draw to come out. Loser. Daddy's go. Still on her favourite machine and give it up. Xander, you get in there, still going. Xander, get in there, still going. Look at the speed. He's a speed demon. So we bumped into Nikki's cousin and their little one. Which is nice. We haven't seen them for a long time, so we're going to spend a bit of time with them as well. Wait, I missed it. Say again. Needs help. That's close, isn't it? Is it going? Oh. Is it not working? Wah, wah, wah. I think we found a daft machine. It don't work. Hang your head in shame, Butlins. No, I'm only joking. It's not working, is it? I mean, it doesn't help when they're smacking it. So we come into Studio 36. Sanya, we come into Studio 36, there's a band on in there. And it's lovely in there, aircon in there. Well, nice and cool. So that might start a petition to see if we can sleep here for the night. But it's actually quiet. I don't know why. It did look like it was a busy queue forming for centre stage, so I don't know. But when we were doing the bookings for all the shows, I didn't actually see this one on there, so I don't know whether it's a change of plans and they changed it and cancelled the original plan and now this is what's here. So, you know, if people hadn't checked what's on the app, they might not have seen that. Maybe? I don't know. But anyway, the first time ever, like, we've actually got seated down the front. So that's us. That's the front of the stage. So kids can go down, have a dance, and we can watch them. Over here. They're down there. So that was the Jet Set Band and Selena Sax, and they were really good. Did some medleys of different eras, the noughties, the 90s, some more recent and some a bit before as well. And I'll put in what I can and show you, and you can have a look as well. But if you're coming and they're on, definitely going worth a watch. I'm surprised how quiet it was actually. I think they deserved a bigger audience than that. So definitely worth a watch. Xander, stand back a minute. Oh, they've got the gutter bowl. Go here. It's like 8:30 and it still feels like I'm on the surface of Mars right now. But we brought the kids down to the Sky Park, which, I'll turn you around, is absolutely rammed. But look at that. But it's good to see, right? Good to see everyone having fun.